Hey, what's up guys? I have another video today. Today's video I'm going to show you how to exchange this dirty air filter or clean it. You have a choice to clean it or exchange it, and in my case I'm just going to exchange it because it seems so dirty. All you got to do is literally, it's like that. Grab these two pins, pull up, and that's it. And then you carefully take this out and you analyze it and be like, oh my god, how dirty. You walk over here and you get your new one. I ordered mine on Amazon. It was like 10 bucks. It's car cabin air filter. Yeah, it has like carbon or something in it or something. I don't know. Okay, here's the one, new one. It looks dirty, but it's because it's gray. It's not white. It has the carbon in it. It tells you the airflow. The arrows are supposed to point like that. But yeah, I'm gonna install it right now. I'll clean inside of it with this. Take out any contaminants or debris. Okay, should be good as new. I'm walking with a gimbal. I don't know if you can notice how smooth or it's not like jolty up and down, because I have a gimbal and I don't have anybody to hold it while I install it. But the way you install it, you look at the arrows, focus, look at the arrows, and literally just push in there and sit it against the air filter box. Just set it in there. Okay guys, what I didn't know is, let me see if I can get it in there. This can actually open up, see? It goes up, so you can, it's easier to take out the air filter. It's like a little lid, I guess, for the air filter. That's it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Stay tuned for more videos. I might be going to more car shows. I'm going to be asking some of my friends, let me review their cars so you can see them. They're nice cars. They have beautiful cars, actually, way better than mine. And I'm asking if I can do reviews on them, so you guys can check them out also, get some ideas, and hopefully be going to more car shows. Please comment down below, what do you want to see more. I might be doing a whole wrap of my vehicles soon too. Just comment, tell me what you guys want to see.
I do coke so I can work longer, so I can earn more, so I can do more coke.